How to use a Visa card on SHEIN application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to use Visa gift card for payments on the SHEIN app, here is the process to do so. First of all, you'll head over to Play Store or App Store to make sure the latest version has been installed. Then tap on the open button and you will land to this page. Now that you reach on this page, you will have to tap on the items that you want to buy or check out. This process is simple to do so. Just head over to the item, tap on Add to Cart, select your size and tap to Add to Cart again. Then head over to the Checkout section and tap on the items. Tap on the Checkout button from the bottom right corner and select on Payment Method, which is credit or debit card. Then after tap on the Place Order button, which will take you to another page. This has different options such as Visa gift card as well. So for this, now you will have to give in the details about your Visa gift card. Give in the card number, the expiration date, the CVV number as well. Additionally, you can just scan your card as well. And thus, that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.